What's going on, viewers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best desktop humidifiers in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these humidifiers, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comment section. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond to you as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first portable humidifier we're going to show you today is the Portable Mini Humidifier by MOVTIP. Next up, we've got the Portable Mini USB Humidifier by MZTDYTL. And the third humidifier we've got for you today is the Portable Cool Mist Mini Humidifier by MADETEC. Next up, we've got the Ultrasonic Portable Mini Humidifier by OYRGCIK. Last but not least, we've got the Mini USB Humidifier by NovoLido. So, now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which desktop humidifier you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out the next slide for related product videos that you just might be interested in.